Our colleagues and visitors to the site absolutely love the Top Brewer. They love the idea of the iPad technology behind it and the fact that obviously it delivers fantastic fresh coffee with fresh milk. Hi, I'm Dave Scotcher. I'm the Director of Distribution and Site Operations for the Watches of Switzerland Group, and we're here at Carlton Park today. We really wanted something different rather than your standard sort of coffee machines when we've got a brand new building, state-of-the-art facilities, and we really wanted to complement that. When we were designing the Carlton Park facility, the one thing that came out of extensive surveys was to give real barista-style quality coffee on a day-to-day basis for our colleagues. We have 7 top brewers here at Carlton Park. We have twin swan necks to accommodate for cold and hot drinks. Personally, from an operational point of view, the feature I love of the Swan Neck Top Brewer is actually the Swan Neck where it cleans itself every time after a drink. Gone are the days where you get coffee drops dropping into your chilled water. I would highly recommend it to any other business, and it's a must-have for any modern office that's being developed at the moment.